right there.
I'm in the middle of a waterfall.
It's so clear.
Is there any pennies in here?
It's not a fountain.
Somebody might think it is.
This is the other waterfall. Pretty waterfall. That's one of them. There's 3 here.
Wait, the video?
Now that's a waterfall. You can climb up on that one. You know, we can walk up right there. There's steps to go up.
I can bring you down that way. I'll climb up the stairs.
You want to hold my hand? That is so cool.
Once you get onto that step, you're safe. But just hold on to the root for that.
You can even go down there.
I was just going down. Where did I see this? So I decided to come check it out. Now, Brina, wait, let me go first.
That is so cool. Look at this tree. It's so old. Woohoo! Everybody's hold my hand. Look, there's some kind of flowers down there. Be careful.
Hey.
Look right by the waterfall. That is so cool.
I didn't know this was possible.
Wow, we're all the way up here.
Wait, let's go back. Let's go! Apparently there's another passage up here.
Whoa.
Okay, I have never been this scared to hike in my life.
Ah! Brina's like, I'm not going. Oh, there's all these, like, it's not an aloe plant.
Whoa.
Some kind of prickly plant.
This is almost the 3rd time that I've almost grabbed around this for support.
I know, yeah, it's too prickly. There's the waterfalls right there. I can't really see. That's
Yeah,
the
but
bottom
it's
of it.
scary. I mean, being up there, that's cool. Being up here,
That's the way down. Okay, I'm coming.
I'm gonna get still here. There is a way down, but it's way too steep.
I'd go. I'm right here, princess. Wait. Sean, come here. There's somebody taking a shower in the waterfall. This
Wait,
dude's
are
taking
you
a no. This dude's taking a shower in there. Right here.
Why? I can't stay up there as well too. Come on, move out the way. I want to be scared to death.
I'm not scared. Go ahead. Let's grab onto this tree.